Okay, what we're talking about here it's really not that important anymore. You understand? Let's go to CNBC. I want to show you guys how I trade the thing. But I'm not signed in. Yeah, that's the problem now. Uh, Now I'm gonna share my password. Guys. Okay, fam. I wanna share with you guys how to use CNBC when you're trading 3:30 session. So for a minute, you guys are only gonna see me while I log into this thing. Just hold on. Just hold on. Just 10 seconds, fam. Am I signed in? Yeah, I'm signed in. Let's check. Let's see what's up. Okay. Yeah. So this is what I want to share with you guys. I use this. There's a mobile app for this thing, and then there's the website. It just depends on whichever one is the best for you. So NY session. You see, when it comes to trading indices, the ones on the NAS100, the NAS100, the US30, and all those good stuff. If you want to trade them, they're most volatile when it's actually 3:30 in SA time. So you're gonna have to convert it to your time zone wherever you are. So if you want to trade those things, you have to understand that those things are reach peak volatility during the NY session, and that side is like from 9:30 to like 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock in the morning. So this side is like from 3:30 to like 3:30 to like 7 ish, around those times. That's when you can actually see the movement. You understand? So one thing you need to understand is what actually moves the NAS100. You understand? Or even the US30. They have the same kind of indicators that you would have to look at. So that's where now it comes to CNBC, because now you can create a watch list to monitor all those things that are responsible for all the volatility you would find in NAS100, US30, and all the good stuff. You understand? All of those things are found here. I mean, okay, if you can analyze the website, you'll find there's markets. They talk about markets, currencies, cryptos, talk about everything, right? But mostly it's based on the US market. And then there's business stuff, finances and stuff. These are basically news that you'll find, right? If I can just scroll, these are basically news. Everything that affects the thing, the fundamental side of the market, you can find everything to do with that from here. Basically, as you can see, 17 minutes ago, stocks making biggest moves midday. What Goldman options strategies. So it's a very powerful tool if you can have this thing and try to implement it in your trading. If you're trading stuff like NAS100, like I'm saying, yeah, well, so far are we together? Are we rocking? So far, are you following me? Should I continue or skip on? What's up? There's the app of CN. Okay, I read that one. Is everything? So what are other blocks or what? Is where the banks place their orders on the last bullish or bearish candlestick. Then the market will go down and come back on the last candlestick. Push down. Hope you understand. Are you talking about something like demand and supply? Isn't it the same kind of thing? Supply and demand. Where the market is gonna go make levels and then go and trigger entries on those levels to stop out retail traders. Is that what you're talking about? I'm not sure. Anyways, let's continue. So in this app or website, Ash my G, this week I won't lie, on Telegram this week we've just been focusing on our new members. Actually, we've been focusing on our existing members and our new members for last week. We're still trying to get, we're still trying to focus on those people first, and then like for anyone who's trying to get enrolled, we're gonna attend it. But right now, we are still focused on our members. You understand? So it's a bit hectic, fam. Hope you understand. But yeah, we're gonna get back to you soon. So you're gonna make a watch list. You're gonna go to my watch list on the app or on the thing. I think I dropped a video, right? I dropped a video on how to do this on your mobile phone. Vussy Magz CNBC. It's kind of an old video, but these things are still working. CNBC strategy. You see, I dropped it a year ago. I dropped this a
what's
year
up, ladies and
ago.
gentlemen? Welcome back.
Yeah, our hair was still short and stuff. We have to understand. So I go through the whole strategy on this video. You understand? So you will have to, if you wanna like learn how to do it on the mobile version of the thing, you're gonna have to check it out. Check this video out, man. That's where I go into detail. So as I was saying, you're gonna make a watch list on this thing, on this app, and as you can see, when this thing is open, basically 3:30, these things will start to become active. They'll start moving, fluctuating up and down, and that's how now it's gonna show you what's going on with the movers. So the basically the general consensus of what to follow. As soon as this thing open at 3:30, even now they're still open, you have to check which ones are bullish and which ones are bearish. You understand? So you need to only add these. I think there's 7 instruments. Yeah, Apple, Tesla, Meta, which is Facebook since they changed the name. There's Netflix, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. These are like the main Nasdaq movers. You understand? So you need to add them on this thing. So what you would look at is if the majority of them are bullish or bearish. You understand? I wanna open a chart so bad. I wanna open a chart so we can see how this thing is moving right now. Failing to withdraw money from vault market. Hey, that one is hectic. But this thing is moving. NAS100, ne? Mara. The main problem we have with it on the H4 is that it's not bearish, Mara. It's moving in a range. You understand? It's moving in a range, this thing. There's a lot of structure on the daily time frame, but as far as, because you see the structure on the daily, hoping we get a rejection here on this level, and then the price maybe can drop a little bit, because at the moment it's struggling to push up. But as soon as we go to the lower time frames, when we go to the lower time frames, we can see here it's a ranging market. So I just want us to go through it real quick to see what's going on. But you can see, Mar. You can see what's going on. Obviously, me, I entered a couple trades yesterday, which only closed out today. But there's no structure here, even in the small time frame. There is no structure. The only way you could trade this thing is if maybe you put down levels. But even then, there's no structure here, dog. I don't want to tell everyone, and this is why I'm conflicted right now, because I know someone with like proper market experience, someone who's been trading for a while, can find a way to trade this movement. But someone who's still learning now, it can be a master to trade this thing. But I'll just give you guys one clue. If you add your session breaks and go to lower time frames, you can always analyze any type of market, no matter how chaotic it looks from the bigger time frames. But if you can add your session breaks and look at it day by day, you understand? So this is what I'm doing here. I went to the 30 minutes time frame, and then I'm analyzing movement from every day. You understand? When I do it this way, I find it's better trading. It's easier to trade than if I just analyze the whole picture. and I don't focus on what's going on, movement day by day. You understand? I think but I don't want to go too deep into this thing of it. I don't want to go too deep. It's fine. I don't want to go too deep in the building. But just know that we've been trading this thing. You understand? But as you can see, you see how this market is moving, which is why I came here. You see how this market is moving. It's moving up and down between these 2 points here right now. These two levels. So if I can add a level here like this, it will give you a signal. You understand? You would have gotten a buy signal there. So, but it still doesn't mean that it's gonna go up and push and break out and stuff. It just means it's been moving like this. So basically, today we opened the market here, went down, and then now we're slightly above where the market opened. And when we look at the watch list, 3 of these things are bearish, and then 4 of these things are bullish. So it shows us that even if you can find maybe selling pressure or buying momentum, it's not going to be that much because these things are not all bearish or all thing. You see, only if there's like one of them which is bullish or one of them which is bearish, and then the rest are following one direction, then that's where you'd find most of the momentum going one way. But once the market is moving like this, you're not really going to find much going on in the markets. So that's how this thing helps you. It helps you determine how much momentum you'll find in the market in a specific direction. Your job is to only find the entries, entries, and then where to actually get out of the market. But as far as like where the market is gonna go, these things will show you where the market is gonna go. But now the way they're moving, it's not really showing anything because some of them are bullish, some of them are bearish, which is the problem. You understand? That's the main problem that we have right now.